Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present a creamy and delicious low-carb treat, my coconut cream pie. With a coconut flour crust and a few simple ingredients, this recipe is the perfect sweet treat for those of you out there with nut allergies or anyone craving a cool low-carb tropical dessert. Let's get started. We'll make the crust by adding some coconut flour to a food processor. Add 2 lightly beaten eggs, some vanilla extract, a little coconut oil, a powdered sugar substitute equal to 1/4 cup of regular sugar, and a little salt. Process until the mix is crumbly like you see here. Now add 8 tablespoons of cold cube unsalted butter. Process once again until the butter is incorporated. After processing, you should still be able to see small butter pieces. Evenly distribute the crust mixture into a 9-inch pie dish. With your hands, begin pressing and forming the crust against the bottom and sides. Have some patience here and try and distribute the mix as evenly as possible. Add any excess back in or discard for a thinner crust. Notice the nice butter pieces still visible in the crust. Once you form the crust, take a fork and poke several holes throughout. Place the prepared crust in the middle of a preheated 400-degree oven for about 10 minutes or until golden brown. When done, place on a cooling rack to cool completely. While the crust cools and before we work on the filling, we'll toast some unsweetened coconut flakes for our topping. Add some coconut flakes to a non-greased skillet on medium heat and mix and stir until the flakes begin to turn golden brown. Remove from the fire and let cool. Place in a Ziploc bag for storage until we're ready for it. Now we're ready to prepare the filling. To a non-heated sauce pot, add some powdered sugar substitute equal to 1 cup of regular sugar. Add a little salt and just a bit of xanthan gum. Give that a mix to blend together. Add 1 can of coconut cream and 1 can of coconut milk and give that a mix to combine. Turn the heat on medium and bring to a simmer, stirring occasionally. When the mix begins to simmer, add 4 egg yolks, 1 at a time, stirring to incorporate. Continue to cook and stir on medium heat for about 6 to 7 minutes to thicken. Once it's reached about this level of thickness, turn the heat off and let cool down for 10 minutes. Continue to stir as it cools. This will help to prevent any film to form on top. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and mix to combine. With our mix still a bit warm, add it to the cooled crust. Be careful not to overfill. Come just to the top of the crust. Loosely place some plastic wrap over the top. We want to be sure the plastic is in contact with the pie. This will help to prevent any film from forming over the top. When the filling is at room temperature, place in the refrigerator for at least 10 to 12 hours to set. Remove from the refrigerator and gently peel back the plastic. We'll make the topping by adding 1 cup of heavy cream to a mixing bowl and sweeten with a powdered sugar substitute equal to 2 tablespoons of regular sugar. Beat with an electric mixer until thick and fluffy. Add the sweetened whipped cream generously over the top of our pie. I like to add peaks, but you can make it smooth if you prefer. Now sprinkle on the toasted coconut over the top, and you're ready to enjoy the tropical taste of coconut cream pie without all the carbs. There you have it, folks, my low-carb coconut cream pie. Now you can enjoy a delicious tropical dessert without worrying about all the carbs. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.